Hello, got a 2017 F-350. We're gonna pull the seats. This is the back of the passenger seat. Let me get my little hook in there. Pop this out. There's your bolt. Hook in, pop this out. Gently, carefully. There you go. We're gonna get them bolts. And we're gonna unplug. There's gonna be one main plug right here. We'll unplug that when we get it unbolted. Go to the front. Once again. Try to do this without putting any gouges in it. That's how it's hooked in. Try not to break them. Looks like I stressed that one out a little bit. Somebody else has already been in here, so I'm not taking all the heat for bent plastic pieces. There it is. Hit those, take those out, and there's our main plug right here. Let's see if I can figure out how to get that done. Here's this thing. I'm assuming it pulls back. I'll have to pull the seat out or unbolt it to get a better look at this. Looks like a pretty intense plug setup they got. Leave it to Ford. I'm using a 13mm. As you can see, 4 bolts and you'll have the carpet out. Now this thing, looks like if you I'm not sure how this works. I'm assuming you just pull on it real hard. I'll let you know in a second. I need both my hands. So, if you push down on that, give it a tug, and it comes loose. Like pushing down this little deal there. And you pull that back down, and this should slide right out. There you go, seats unhooked. Do the same to the other side.